Discover how to make money taking surveys. Online surveys offer an easy way to earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals quickly. Explore the top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site presents different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing survey sites, consider factors like reputation, the number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Beware of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some survey sites offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to take surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start earning today by participating in surveys.